Pretty Dollhouse. We're going to be unboxing this. Let's get started here, kids. I know you love to see me open up these boxes. Ooh. Oh my gosh, unboxing educational toys. Oh my goodness, here's the different parts for the house. That is the front of the house. We're just gonna be unboxing, seeing what is in here. Here's some more parts, the side and the window. These must be the walls of the house. You're gonna have to get mommy or daddy help you to build this house, because there's a lot of different parts here. It's a pink house. Looks like it. Has pink things inside of it. Oh, goodness. I'm going to cut this so I can open it up. Ooh, some furniture. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is a sofa. Here's a dresser. There's a table. And at another chair, we have two chairs in here. Oh, pulling out things. Some more white things. Oh, there's the stairs. You're going to have stairs if this is a two-story house. Let me cut these things here. And here's the table. 3 long chairs. Boys and girls, see what's inside this one. Oh! There's our little doll. Oh, it's called a dollhouse, so here's the doll. Here's an umbrella. Round table. So you're going to be putting your house on this thing here. There's the roof. I can tell. Here's the roof of our house. And let's see what this is, boys and girls. Open up this. We have blue and white things in here. You're going to have to put these together. Oh, here's a bed, boys and girls. Here's the pillow on it. Dressing table with a mirror. Stool. Really good for problem solving, boys and girls, because you're going to have to put this together, and that is really good for your brain. So, unboxing toys.